Hey guys, we're out here on Donna Noe's roof. We understand Allstate came out, paid for about 16 shingles, but we just did a markup and there's a significant more amount than 16 or 19. On this slope right here, we got 6. On east one, we have 2. On the second facet of the east slope, we have 2 as well. Over here, Justin, if you want to follow me. And then over here on the third east slope, we got 3 more damaged shingles. On the south slope, we found 11 shingles, all scattered throughout the roof. On the north slope, we found 3 more as well. So what we're out here to do today is we're gonna just see if this roof is even repairable in the first place. Now right here is our example damaged tab, and every slash mark is gonna be each tab that's going to be affected during the process. So the next step is just unsealing the shingles. So here we go. Oh, that one's already unsealed. I'm going to go ahead and be soft and gentle throughout the process. Oh, you can see the pry bar did cause a little bit of damage right there. These are already unsealed. It's going pretty good. All right. Now the next step is removing the nails. But as you can see, the pry bar did penetrate a little bit through the shingle right there. I did it as gently as possible. I'm sure you could tell. That one pulled through, but we're just gonna do our best. That one's severely pulled through as well. Try to get it out. I'll come back to that one. That one pulled through as well, but it's gonna be really gentle with it throughout the process. Any other roofer would not be as gentle as me. That thing pulled through as well. Let me get these nails over here. All right, now we gotta remove this old shingle. Hold on to that, Justin. Yep. As you can tell, guys, there's severe granule loss present on this roof. That's the reason why we didn't use a roof snake. An extreme force of a roof snake, it would have just did more harm than good on this roof. Plus, you can't really expect every roofer to have a roof snake, but that's neither here or there. Next step is getting the shingle lined up and putting in our new nails. Now this, Justin, if you want to come over here. Now this nail has to go directly into the sealant strip. It cannot go above it or below it.
why I'm starting it off like that. If you want to come over here, Justin. Alright guys, we're going to get our nails cleaned up over here and then take a look at the results of our repair.